Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to go live on Kick streaming. So this is the standard way to stream gameplay or professional quality video. So log into your profile, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner and go to the creator dashboard. Now here navigate to the stream URL and key. And here you will see the stream URL and stream key. Copy both these keys. Make sure that no one can get the access to those keys. Okay, so now what we can do, we can open up the OBS settings. So let's go at the top left corner where you will see File and then Settings. It will pop up this video here. Now under the Stream tab, click on it and then you will see the server. So paste these keys right here. So stream key goes here and the URL go here to the server. That's pretty much everything. You can also optimize some settings. Here under the output you can set video bitrate here a little bit. Video encoder, it can be NVENC if you use the NVIDIA. If you have the other, you can HV. If you have really powerful computer, you can use software here. Basically, this one 264. Now what you can do also under the advanced, you can set here network and check the dynamical change bitrate to manage congestion. Also you can set here some, you can also select color space, but this is not pretty important for the streaming itself. Then what you can do also here, in the Kick streaming, you can set the output resolution, keyframe interval to 2 seconds, as you can see, and bitrate you can set it from 6000 to 8000 kilobits per second. So this is really dependent on how powerful network you have. And when you are good to go, just in here in the OBS press start streaming, and that's basically pretty much it, and you will go live on Kick streaming. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next